Hear what people are saying about the newly redesigned LG CordZero A9 stick vacuum with the compressor feature.
As far as recommending this unit, I would give it a 10. I love it. You know, the convenience of not having to dump the trash out, that's when the compressor come in play.
I can take it anywhere throughout the house. It does a great job underneath furniture. It's really compact. I like the suction power. It's wonderful. The compressor feature exceeded my expectations. I really like it. It's easier to empty than it was before. I think it's a fantastic unit.
I can usually get everything I need done with one battery, but it has a second battery that I can just swap it out if there's extra work I want to get done, so it's pretty good. The dustbin is very easy to clean. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to use. Very powerful. I love it.
I feel it does a great job vacuuming. The suction's really good, so I like the turbo boost on it. The compressor feature met my expectations. Again, when emptying the bin, you don't have to stick a knife in there anymore and swirl around to empty the dustbin.
It performs extremely well. The vacuum and sucking capability is outstanding. It picks up everything from kitty litter, cat boxes. It gets quite a bit of all of the fur and the dander that comes up, pulls everything out. I really do like the power that the unit has.
It's easy just to pull it off the stand, go around the house a little bit, do some cleanup, and drop it back in the stand. Yes, I have used the compressor feature. It helps a lot with here we've got a bunch of animals, so the cat hair and dog hair and stuff will fill up in the bin pretty quickly, and usually one battery will do each floor. It seems overall really convenient.
I love the battery life of the unit, and I love how much it picks up. The suction on it is spectacular. We have dogs and they bring in dirt and it sucks it all up. I love how small it is. I love the portability of it, and I love the fact that it's cordless. The compressor feature is nice where it compacts all the stuff. I use it all the time. I would recommend this definitely.